They tried to replace you, but God made sure they would never forget you. See, somebody thought you were disposable until they realized God never made another you. They traded you for something familiar, something easier, but now they're sitting in regret, replaying every moment and wishing they'd handled you differently, wishing they still had you in their life because they knew how loyal you are. But listen, God already told them what you carried, the grace, the anointing, the favor, the gifts. Let's address the room real quick. Because some of you are feeling a real shift in the air. You know, people who walked out of your life like you weren't nothing are suddenly calling themselves trying to circle back, like they want to just check on you and see if you're okay, see how you doing, see what's been going on. But nah, it's deeper than that. See, God is convicting their hearts about how they treated you, how they mishandled you, how they thought you were nothing, how they could walk away from your loyalty. You were never the problem. You were just a gift they weren't mature enough to handle, weren't ready to really unwrap to see the good in you. Some folks got too comfortable with your presence. They assumed that you would always be available to them, always forgiving, always giving the upper hand, always showing up, pouring into them. They thought they could compare you to the next person, another friend, another position, another relationship, another support system, so to speak. They figured you were replaceable, like you were just another option in a world full of people. But listen, you don't replace an original, and you're an original. You don't toss away something God handpicked and think life gets better for you. A lot of them didn't realize how rare you were until you were gone. The loyalty that you had to them, how you endured hardship with them, how you gave advice to them when sometimes you didn't have advice for yourself. And God is letting them feel the loss. See, while you were trying to make peace, trying to hold things together, God was watching and was letting you break. God was watching who was letting you break in silence while they weren't trying to help you. Sometimes God will let people leave because your spirit was suffocating in their presence. You thought the relationship ended because they lost interest in you. But God said, no, I'm redirecting you. I got something so much better for you because I want you to know you are valuable. You are worth it. I'm elevating you. I'm protecting your friendly fire. God was protecting you from that. Some of y'all cried your heart out over doors God padlocked shut, over relationships he allowed to end. And now those same people are realizing you prayed differently. You loved differently. You supported differently. You carried an oil, an anointing that they can't find nowhere else. You weren't just a person in their lives. You were a blessing disguised as something ordinary. And now they feel it. Now they wish they could have you back. But here's what nobody wants you to know and what nobody tells you. Walking away might have felt like freedom to them for a season, until God started tugging on their hearts, realizing you had a blessing there. He or she was a blessing to you. You mishandled someone I assigned to you. You broke trust you weren't supposed to break. You judged what you should have covered. You mishandled what I gave you as a blessing. You were the blessing that God gave them. And now they're realizing it. That's why you're starting to see unexpected texts, phone calls, or people come to you saying, you know, hey, so-and-so asked about you. So-and-so want to know how you doing. So-and-so asked me for your number. See, because when you walked away from that relationship or when they walked away from you, you changed your number. Messages that sound unfinished. People watching stories, not speaking. They watching your timeline. They scrolling through your TikTok. They strolling through your Instagram. They want to reach out. People talking about you more now than when you were connected to them. Because God will let them sit in the realization of what you really were to them. See, you had a good thing and you didn't steward it well, is what God is placing in their hearts. You walked away. There's this worldly song that say, you had a good girl and you lost her. You pushed her in the arms of someone wonderful than you. You had a good person and you lost it. That's conviction. Not guilt from you, but correction from God. So here's the truth I want you to know. You're not forgotten. God is remembering you. You're not overlooked. God was protecting you. You were not replaceable. You were separated. And they're now going to realize that they will never find another you. They'll never find another you. You gave your heart and soul to that relationship, to that friendship. And they thought over there was something so much better. And now they realize, now that they can't contact you, now that they don't necessarily always know what you're doing except for what they see maybe on social media, if you post anything. And hear me and hear me well. God didn't let them forget you so you go back and be the same person to them. Give them the honors of your loyalty, your affection, your oneness with them. He's doing it so you would finally understand your value and your worth. 2026, you will no longer be the same person that you used to be. You have a transformed mindset. You now know who you are. You now know the gift that you carry, the weight of the anointing that you carry. You don't have to chase. You don't have to beg. You don't have to shrink yourself back to fit in the mold of what people try to make you fit into. You don't have to tolerate anymore, because now you know your worth and your value. You stand, you grow, you evolve, because the right people, the ones God assigned to you, won't realize your value and walk away and leave and think you're nothing. They'll see it while they're in your presence. They'll understand it and respect it and appreciate it. And if they ever come back around again, those that walked away, you'll know exactly who you are now. You'll know exactly what you possess. Don't let them back. Stand firm in understanding what God has created in you and who you are. Remember what it took to overcome the hurt and the pain of them walking away. God didn't mean for you to go through that, but he used it. He says in Romans 8:28, he works all things together for the good of them that love them, who love him, who are called according to his purpose. So you were never the problem. You were just a gift. And I want you to hear me and hear me clearly. You were just a gift that they were not mature enough to handle and appreciate. You weren't. But now they realize it. They tried to replace you. They tried so hard to replace you. But God made sure they will remember what they had in you. And now they see it. Appreciate that God allowed them to walk away. Because remember, if you would have stayed in that relationship, in that friendship, that toxicity, you would never become who God has created you to be. You would never walk in the full anointing and authority that God has created for you. Don't go back. You are worth so much more. You are so much more valuable. And I need you to allow that to resonate in your heart. Let that sit with you for a moment.